Let's try a fun quiz. I will show you some groups of letters and you will try to guess what they have in common. Let's start with the 5 letters on the screen. Repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. What do these letters have in common? Here is the answer. They are vowels. Now, you say or utter vowel sounds every time you speak. These 5 letters are used in writing to represent these sounds. Let's try another list. Repeat after me. B, D, J, K, P, T, V, Z. You can also say Z. What do these letters have in common? Do you know? First, they are all consonants. That is a good guess. Second, the first sound in each of these letters' names is the sound that the letter represents in writing. So the letter B, for instance, makes the B sound, as in boy, base, beach, and so on. The letter D makes the D sound, as in dog, dance, danger, and so on. This is true for all 8 letters on the screen. Let's try a short list now. Repeat after me. C, G. What do these letters have in common? Do you know? The answer is that both C and G have a hard sound and a soft sound. The hard C sounds like a K, k, and the soft C sounds like an S, s. The hard G sounds like a G, g, and the soft G sounds like a J, j. Here are some examples of the hard C. Cat, coat, cute. Here are some examples of the soft C. City, center, cell phone. We will talk about this rule in later lessons. So for now, I will just say that the soft sound, or S, appears before the vowels E and I. If the letter following the C is not an E or an I, the sound will be a hard C, or a K sound. The letter G follows a similar rule. The hard G appears at the beginning of the words game, goal, gasp. The soft G sounds like a J sound, J, before the vowels E and I. Giant, gentleman, generous. Like the rule for soft C, look for the letters E and I after the G. Let's try another list. Repeat after me. F, L, M, N, R, S, X. What do these letters have in common? Do you know? The answer is that the last sound in each of these letters' names is the sound that the letter makes. The letter F makes the F sound. The F sound at the end of F is the same F sound as in face, feel, and fine. All 7 letters here share this characteristic. Let's try another list. Repeat after me. H, Q, W, Y. What do these letters have in common? Do you know? The answer is that the names of these letters don't match their sounds at all. H makes the H sound as in hat and home. Q makes the Q sound as in quick and question. W makes the W sound as in way and wet. And Y makes the Y sound as in yes and yoga. The next concept that I want you to grasp is ascenders. Most of the letters in the alphabet are drawn or printed between the 2 black lines. These 7 letters have pieces or strokes that go above the top black line. They have ascenders. There is nothing particularly special about ascenders in terms of phonics. They do, however, create a shape to the word. The shape of a word is sometimes useful for some students. Like ascenders, 5 other letters extend outside the 2 black lines. These letters dip below the bottom black line. Also like ascenders, there is nothing particularly special about descenders in terms of phonics. However, quick readers can recognize words based on their shapes. We are nearly finished. Just a quick review. What do the red letters have in common? The answer is that they are all vowels. What do the blue letters have in common? The answer is that the sound matches the beginning of the letter's name. What do these blue letters have in common? Do you remember? The letters C and G both have a hard sound and a soft sound. What do these blue letters have in common? The sound matches the ends of the letters' names. How about these ones? What do these blue letters have in common? The sound that the letter represents and the name of the letter don't match. They have nothing in common. What do these blue letters have in common? Do you remember? These letters all have ascenders. They are taller than other letters. What do these blue letters have in common? These letters all have descenders. They dip lower than the other letters. We are done. Here is the alphabet. Maybe you can notice some things that I have missed, feel free to write a comment down below. See you next time. Bye.